Exciting day today. I am happy to announce that we are now doing a public Facebook group for wedding photographers. And if you would like to join us, there is a link in the description and there is a link in the first comment. So pick which one you'd like to join us with. They both go to the same place. There's always been the Patreon private group, and the way that the groups are going to be different is if you're a member of Patreon, you're welcome to join the private group, and I'll be a lot more active in there, but also I will be happy to go into any detail of any aspect of my business, whereas the public Facebook group is going to be a little bit more like YouTube, that there's some business things that I won't discuss publicly because I don't want them, basically if I reveal a strategy in the public group and 25 people in your hometown start doing it, the strategy kind of becomes useless. So I would like to keep those strategies to the private Patreon only group. So if you're interested in that, join Patreon. If you're interested in just being part of the public Facebook group, join us over on the link that's in the description and the comment below. I think the main reason I'm doing it is, one, because the times are, we're all going to be maybe not isolated at home, but we're all going to be spending a lot more time at home in front of our computers, in front of our phones than maybe we have over the past maybe couple of years. It's actually going to be a really hard year, I think, for wedding photographers and weddings overall. The other thing that I really miss, and this is actually something that I've tried to do a few times now, was that when I was working an office job, when I had a 9-to-5, and it was a modified 9-to-5, but I would go in and I would work with other people, and people would be on my team and I'd be able to talk to them. And there's some level of water cooler talk that you kind of miss when you go solo full time. And photography is a very independent career, which I think I am wonderfully suited for, but also you do miss that social interaction from time to time. So hopefully this will kind of replace the coworker element of your job if you do happen to go full time and you're able to actually communicate. So don't just limit it to specifically like gear questions or anything. Like, I'm happy to have the group be whatever the community kind of wants it to be. So chime in with whatever you got going on in your mind right now in the group, and see what kind of conversation it sparks. So click the links below and come join us on the Facebook group. I don't know how else to sell it to you. It's a free group, so there's no real, it's a pretty easy, just click it and join and be part of the community. So thanks for being here. Thanks for watching this YouTube video, and I will see you inside the group.